Hey friends, if you wish to fix aksdf.sys blue screen error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the drivers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, and then you can select advanced options, select optional updates and install the updates. Return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery, go to recovery, click on open system restore, select next, choose a good restore point, next, click on finish and click on yes. And the last solution is obviously a malware scan. Search for MRT, go to the malware removal tool, and then you can click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.